Hi, I'm Bailey from Graco, and this video is going to show you the steps to install your SlimFit3 LX 3-in-1 car seat, forward-facing with latch. First, make sure your car seat is flat on your vehicle seat. Then remove your infant inserts, including the head support and the body support, and store them away. Next, confirm that your crotch buckle is located in one of the forward-facing positions. Next, remove your vehicle's headrest if the vehicle owner's manual allows. Then locate your tether on the back of your car seat. Undo it from its storage position and route it over the back of your vehicle seat. Place the seat flat, making sure at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Confirm that your car seat is in a forward-facing recline position, either 3 or 4. Raise your headrest up and move the backrest soft goods flap up and out of the way as well. Next, remove your bottom seat pad. Then locate your lower anchor strap in the seat pan. Press the plastic button in front of the connector to remove it from its storage position. From there, route your lower anchor strap to the forward-facing belt path by sliding it along the metal rod. Then route your lower anchor strap through the forward-facing belt path and ensure that it is flat and not twisted. Extend the lower anchor strap by pressing the silver button. Attach your connector to the vehicle lower anchors. Press down on the center of the seat while pulling the end of the latch strap and tighten. Attach your tether to your vehicle tether anchor and tighten. Next, grab your seat at the forward-facing belt path and move left to right and front to back to ensure that it does not move more than an inch. If it does, grab the end of your lower anchor strap and tighten, and retest for tightness. Next, replace your seat pad soft goods. Route your buckle through the seat pad and make sure that it corresponds with the hole on the car seat. Then, move your harness to the correct position and snap. Then replace your seat back pad as well as your upper seat back pad and route the harness through the top. Once you replace your soft goods, now you're ready for child. Check for proper harness height. Straps should be at or just above child's shoulders for forward facing. If you need to adjust the harness height, use the handle at the top of the seat to adjust up or down. Buckle the child into the harness and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness using the strap at the front of the seat. Now move the chest clip to armpit level. Last, do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any slack at the child's shoulders.